Good morning, Pastor Rob. Day 4 after hip surgery. Made a big mistake last night trying to stand up and go talk to the neighbors. When I came home, my leg looked like a 55-gallon drum. I was in extreme pain, and then I tried to go to the bathroom and sat down on the toilet. Sorry to be just blunt, but felt like I was sitting on my sciatic nerve. Extreme pain. So I think I overdid it yesterday. But I've been up since 4, couldn't sleep. Thought of some things to recommend as you're healing up. Sorry for the airplane. Get some snacks. One of the things that I really love, my wife's taking care of me, helping out a lot, but got some snacks. Frozen cherries, frozen blueberries, some carrots, some small carrots. Those have been real helpful, just sitting around and not being able to do much. I am walking without my cane. It's a beautiful morning. I wanted to get out before it starts raining, but I've been up 3 hours. Couldn't sleep. I've been irritated, agitated. So I guess there's probably schools of people. Some people that don't do a lot of physical stuff. I would say recommend before you do your hip surgery, do some physical stuff so you're ready to recover. And the guys that are like me, that were very active, very physically active, and specifically, sorry, I always go military, but you don't know your limits. You just go. You get hurt, you just go. And yesterday, if you can overdo it, I would say I absolutely overdid it yesterday. I walked twice. And then I tried to talk to my neighbor, stand up over for about an hour and a half. Bad idea. When the physical therapist took me, take things in stride, take your time. Great advice. Walk 100 yards, walk 50 yards, go home and rest. Then the next day, get up, walk 100 yards, go rest. Don't push it too hard. I'm paying for it now, but I will tell you this, my 4th day out, walking, got a little bit of a limp, but my thigh feels fantastic. It feels strong. It feels solid. I feel like I'm on the mend, which is a good thing for the 4th day. It's early in the morning. I'm just going to do one short video and then another one after my first therapy session. I'm not going to walk far. I just walked about a block. Now I'm going to head back to the house, downhill, uphill. I feel good. So my head's a little bit clearer. My wife says I've been telling a lot of military stories being stupid, so sorry. I was in a cloud for about 3 days. Now I feel a little clearer. Of course, that's always up for debate. But anyway, day 4, lots of water, lots of snacks. My buddy Walter from Missouri was in the Marine Corps. He said, hey man, make sure you take your anti-inflammatories, which I wasn't doing. So I would recommend that. Because I try to get off pills as quick as possible, maybe too quickly. So I took my ibuprofen for the first time my 3rd day, and I woke up this morning, the swelling's way down, elevated. And I want to tell you, the ice wrap, the VA gave me an ice wrap, a machine that you fill with ice and it wraps your thigh. I'm going to tell you, that thing's a godsend. I got that. I wrapped my thigh all night. Of course, by the morning the ice was gone. It was all warm, but I was probably cold for 3 or 4 hours. So they helped with the swelling. My ibuprofen, thank you, Walter. I did do my ibuprofen last night. I will take another one. So, but the swelling last night was so bad I couldn't sit. I felt like I was sitting on my sciatica. It went all the way down my leg, up my back. But day 4, 7 a.m. My first physical therapy session will be at 9:30, and then I'll do another video tonight just to see how I feel. Take it in strides. Don't push too much. Big mistake. Some guys are like that. I don't know my limits. If you don't give me my limits, I'm going to do what I do. And I think a lot of people are like that. It's not just me, but I need to know the limits. Take 100 steps, take 1,000 steps, go home, whatever. I think that would be wise. Because, yeah, you need to take it in baby steps. I went too far yesterday. So, anyway, that's this morning, and I'll do another one tonight. Hope everybody has a great day.